Well, that wind is cold. Hi, I'm Jerry. I've been teaching people to use the smartphone with the Android operating system, and a common comment that I get is that the text is too small. Well, this short video is going to show you how to make the text bigger. This video will show you how to change the text size on your smartphone with the Android operating system. And what you want to do is go to your home screen. Looks like this. It has all the app icons on it. And look for the settings icon. And if you touch that, it gives you a list of settings. And I want to go to display, and here's the display right here. Touch that. And I'm looking for font. And I want to touch the font, and it brings up this. Up here is the font preview, and this is the actual size of what you'll be adjusting. And there's a slider down here, and you can touch it and actually slide and see how the size changes. Or you can touch it, and it gets quite big. That's pretty big. Let's go a little smaller. And then below it, on some phones, is the bold text. And if I touch that, watch how that gets darker. And if that helps you to see it, then you want to keep that on. I don't really need that, so I'll turn it off. And if this is the size of font that you want to go to the bottom and look for apply and touch apply. And now the size you chose is the size you're going to get throughout the phone. And if you want to go back to the home screen, go down to the navigation bar and look for the circle and touch the circle, and you're back to the home screen. And that's how you adjust the text size on smartphones with the Android operating system. And if this video is helpful, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.